It gives me immense pleasure to extend to you a very warm welcome on behalf of School of Law, University of Kashmir, to this Moot Court competition, which is being organized in collaboration with J&K Legal Services Authority. I welcome and request ex-Head and Dean, Professor Mohammad Ayub, man of distinct vision and fountainhead of illuminating ideas and the sculpture of human character, to kindly deliver the welcome address. Sir.
The concept of moot courts has by now been strengthened by a new concept of clinical legal education. There were times when law degrees were only of 2 years duration, and just after completion of 2 years courses in the schools of law graduates used to step in to the bar and play their innings. But with the passage of time, it was realized that 2 years is not enough time to start a real practice, because most of the procedural subjects were almost forgotten in the law schools. That's why the Bar Council of India started some clinical courses. The idea is to give more and more training to the law students in especially the procedural aspects of the law.
The profession of law, as we know, stands a profession par excellence, with immense challenge given to the changing needs of space and time. The nature of legal profession not only demands hard work. A lawyer is not only supposed to invest his labor, but must equally be equipped with the skills of advocacy. This has remained the hallmark of big names like Daniel Webster. Amongst the skills of advocacy, apart from research in case law, the oration or the way in which a lawyer is supposed to present his case before the presiding officer remains of vital significance. Making moot court a part of legal curriculum is aimed to train the students of law not only in acquiring the skills of advocacy, but above all, to instill a sense of confidence in the presentation of the case and the oration.
The State Legal Services Authority, now a union territory, of course. So we are here organizing a moot court competition. So I would not say anything about Legal Services Authority. You all are law students. You must be knowing it better. See, this is an opportunity. Just grab it. I know most of the students here would not be later on, you are taking a degree, law degree from this college, from this university. So I know not everyone is going to pursue his or her career as a lawyer. Some of you may find your way into being a lecturer, into teaching. Some of you may even find your way into judiciary or even a business. So there are endless opportunities for you, and this is the best field. Mind you, this is the most honorable profession. Just make it very clear. It's the most honorable profession. We are the guardians of liberty and the caretakers, the guardians and caretakers of our Constitution. So I think there is no better way to reform a society
the National Legal Service Authority, the Jammu and Kashmir Legal Service Authority, or even the law school, the Law Society, had an opinion of inviting you all for a moot court competition so as to excel you people in many things. You got a chance of drafting a plan. You got a chance of drafting the complaint, whatever the title you have, whatever the moot problem you have. You got a chance of drafting the written statement, or even it could excel your research side, because once you have been given a moot problem, you have to analyze it, you have to appreciate it, you have to make a research of it. That means this moot court competition will give you a, we can say a mock court or a dummy court. It will help you at least first in identifying from which side the plaintiff's counsel has to sit. By tomorrow when you will join the courts, where from the defendant's counsel has to sit, how the case is to be argued. And it enhances your advocacy skills also.
We express our sincere and heartfelt gratitude toward senior faculties and other teaching members and other assisting staff who have fair share in successful organizing of this event.